Welcome viewers, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this YouTube video, we shall walk through simple steps to draw a stunning factory scene. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned artist, you shall learn techniques to bring your drawing to life. Begin by sketching the outline of the factory building using basic shapes like rectangles and squares. Add details such as windows, doors, and chimneys to give the building depth and realism. Draw surrounding elements like trees, bushes, and grass to frame the factory and add natural beauty. Use perspective lines to create depth and show the distance between objects in the drawing. Add machinery and equipment inside the factory to illustrate its function and purpose. Incorporate smokestacks emitting gentle wisps of smoke to add movement and atmosphere. Experiment with shading techniques to add dimension to your drawing and make it more fight. Pay attention to light sources and shadows. Add details like signs, logos, and graffiti to personalize your factory and make it unique. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, they can often lead to unexpected creative opportunities. Step back and assess your drawing from a distance to identify areas that may need improvement or refinement. Add finishing touches such as highlights and reflections to enhance the overall look of your drawing. Remember that art is subjective, so don't compare your work to others. Practice regularly to improve your skills and develop your own artistic voice. Experiment with different mediums and techniques to keep your drawing practice exciting and fresh. Share your artwork with others and seek feedback to help you grow as an artist. Host drawing challenges and